Hi friends, right now I am in front of the Karnataka State's Legislative Assembly. This is also known as Vidhana Soudha. This is one of the top rated touristic place in Bangalore, and this place is best spot for the photos. So when you're visiting the Bangalore next time, don't miss to visit this place. The written words are government work is God's work, and we could see state emblem of India on the top of this assembly building. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do like and comment, which gives me an immense boost for the upcoming videos. Please share this video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.